Welcome to another episode of Casual Friday. Today, we are going to be putting together the Vortex from Ecotric. So initially I thought about just posting this video with a little bit of music and me putting this bike together at 1,000 times speed, but that's a new level of lazy, so I'm not going to do it to you guys. So let's get into it. So the Ecotric Vortex was fairly easy to assemble, nice and easy to get out of that box, lots of foam in all the right spots, so I feel like the bike was pretty well protected in the box here. I feel like a majority of the time was really just me running around, taking off foam, taking off cardboard, so that's a plus there. We got the seat here wrapped up real nice like, and we've also got the battery also wrapped up real nice like. And I was actually running around looking for the quick release. We got the battery and all the goodies in there, and the quick release, it wasn't in that box. So I thought, okay, I'll find it later. Oh, it looks like he's about to turn that head tube around, so the front forks will be facing the right way. Oh, nope, he's not. He's not going to do that. I know you guys think this is probably some gag that I do, where I put bikes together and I do and I don't turn the front forks around, but no, I just don't turn the front forks around until I realize it's too late, and I look down at the front disc brake and I'm like, why is this one on the opposite side of the other one? Oh, there he goes. He figured it out. So just a little extra work there for myself. Always pay attention to, the small details. That's what I always say. That's not what I do, but that's what I always say. And I'm not sure if I'm chewing gum or singing a song, because I was listening to some music when I did this. So that's either me singing at 1,000 times speed or chewing gum at 1,000 times speed, and it just looks strange. Or maybe like I have some sort of condition, I don't know. So I just cracked a few jokes, and all of a sudden the bike's put together. So, honestly, it was fairly easy. You pop it out, you put some stuff on there, and yeah, really no complaints about it. Alright guys, so it looks like I'm going to need a Phillips head to loosen this up, to put this back here on the seat post. I'm also going to need a Phillips head for the front headlight, also to loosen it so I can put it in there. And then we're just going to have to get another smaller wrench for the back of this here, and then everything should be on there and assembled, and yeah. This thing looks fun. It looks real light, looks real nimble. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to take it back to the house and put it together, and then you should be seeing us in a little bit for a review for it. Alright guys, catch you on the next one.